Well, hello and welcome everybody. How are you? My name is Mahmoud Nasif, and in this video I'm gonna talk about Down syndrome. Alright, first of all, let's know what is Down syndrome. Down syndrome is genetic disorder caused when abnormal cell division result in extra genetic material from chromosome number 21. So it's from chromosome number 21. And this extra genetic material can use the developmental changes and physical features that are characteristic of Down syndrome. All right. Okay, right now we have to know everybody of us, of the normal person, should have 46 chromosome in his cells or 23 pair of chromosome in his cells, like we see in this picture. This chromosomes right here, we see it, it's for normal person, and we can see every pair has 2 chromosome, and this chromosome for normal person, and he has 46 chromosome. But when we wanted to compare it with a normal person or person has Down syndrome, we will see or we will note in pair number 21 there's a chromosome, extra chromosome. It should be 2, but right now right here we have 3, and that's extra chromosome from the developmental changes and physical features that are characteristic of Down syndrome. All right. Right now, let's to take a look about the symptoms, and let's see what is the symptoms, and we can know the Down syndrome patient through what. All right, let's see. Right here, I have 9 symptoms, but actually there's a more, but this is the most popular or between the patient. All right, let's to see it. All right, the first one is flat face and little head and short neck and prominent tongue and oddly shaped or small ears, muscles, tone, and relatively short fingers and small hands and feet, flexibility and short length. And as we know, there's no any medicine for them because they have a chromosome illness, so there's no any medicine for them. And right here we have this baby, he has a Down syndrome, and we can note that from his eyes and his mouth and his ear. So that's my video, and thank you for watching, and this is my resources, and thank you for watching.